Okay, today we're going to keep learning about multiplication. Last week we learned that the multiplication sign means groups of, so we always have to keep that in mind when we're multiplying, is that multiplication sign means groups of. So on number 1 on page 101, it says, Travis drew the picture below to show 4 times 6. What did he do wrong? Well, it should be 4 groups of 6, which is what we have. We have 4 groups of 6, but do we? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we do have 4 equal groups. So we can do 4 groups of, but we can't do 4 groups of 6. We have to do 4 groups of 7 because we have 4 equal groups of 7. So what he did wrong is he put the wrong number in each group. So then it wants you to write a story problem that could be used solving the multiplication equation. 9 times 4 equals 36. So this means 9 groups of 4. So we need to have 9 groups, but we want to do a story problem. So we actually don't want a picture. We already know the answer, but what could we put in 9 groups that would be 4 objects? Maybe 9 bags of candy. So maybe we could write, I had 9 bags with 4 pieces of candy in each bag. How many do I have in all? So I had 9 bags with 4 pieces of candy in each bag. How many do I have in all? So basically, when it says write a story problem with multiplication, you need to just say some groups and what's in those groups. So 9 bags with 4 pieces of candy in each bag. So you want to say what groups you have and how many's in each group. Go ahead and hit pause if you need to write the rest of this, because I'm going to take it off the screen. Okay, so let's go on to number 3 on page 101. So on number 3 on page 101, it says Amelia draws an array to the right to show 3 times 2 equals 6. How will Amelia's array change if she wants to show 4 times 2 equals 8? Well, 3 times 2 means 3 groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 would be 8. But then if it changes to 4 groups of 2, we would have to add another group of 2 here. So when it says, how will it change? Then we have another row. If Amelia draws one more triangle of each row of the original array, what multiplication would this show? So if we go back to the original array and she draws one more triangle on each row, what multiplication would this show? Well, it would show 1, 2, 3 groups of 3, and altogether that would be 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 groups of 3 would be 9. Okay, so I told you in your instructions to do 102 on your own. So you're just going to read number 4. You'll draw a model for part A, and for part B, you'll do a story problem sentence, which is what we were just practicing. You'll also do a story problem for number 5. So you're thinking of something that has equal number of groups, and that the second number is the amount of objects in each of those groups. let me know during the live if you have any questions or if this is hard for you at all. Good luck with your math.